During a video conference, Michael wants to move the other participants into two different breakout rooms so that they can work together in small groups. To do this, he must first create the two rooms. He selects the Participants button and clicks on Add Breakout Room. This creates the first room. Michael wants to give the new room its own name, so he clicks the More button for the room and then selects Rename. He enters the name in the pop-up that opens and then clicks on the OK button. He creates a second room and also gives it its own name. Michael now wants to assign the other conference participants to the two rooms. To do this, he clicks on the More button for the individual participants and selects one of the two newly created breakout rooms. The participants now only see and hear the people in the breakout room to which they have just been moved. To ask after the distribution whether the room change has worked for everyone, Michael now switches to the first room himself by clicking the Join button. He repeats this for the second breakout room. He then switches back to the main room. To bring all the participants from the breakout rooms back into the main room, he clicks on the More button next to the rooms and selects the Close entry. All participants are now back in the same room.